So we will start statistics. Statistics has two meanings. One as a subject and another calculations. And in this you have studied already average of the given numbers. Mean, average is nothing but the mean. General formula is sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. This is general formula. Mean x bar. It is sum of all observations. That is xi. I is equal to 1 to n upon n, total number of observations. This is general formula. Then after this, you have solved some examples in the earlier classes. Here in this class, we have to use the frequency distribution table. That is, if the data is given randomly, raw data, different scores are given, and after rearranging them in the tabular form, that form is called frequency distribution table, and it is grouped frequency distribution table. And for that, the formula is sum fi xi divided by sum of fi. This is the general formula, you can say, right? Or direct method. This is called as direct method. For example, we will take, say, class interval and its frequency, say 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and 40 to 50. Suppose these are the scores or marks attempt or scored by you in the PWD. 0 to 10, there is one student. 10 to 20, there are 11 students. 20 to 30, there are 14 students. 30 to 40, there are 6 students. And 50 to 60, there are 8 students. It doesn't matter. Okay? Total students are 40. Now we have to make here third column, that is of midpoint. That midpoint is known as xi. It is the class mark of the class interval. Then what is the class mark of 0 to 10? 5. The next 15, 25, 35, 40. Then we want this is frequency. So product of these two, that is fi. This frequency, we can write fi also. So frequency into midpoint is corresponding midpoint. So 1 into 5, 11 into 50, 15 1 are 50, 50 60. So 165. 25 into 4, 100. 10. 25 1, 25 and 10, 35. 35 into 6. So 6 into 5, 30. 3. 18 plus 210. This is 40. 4. 32, 36. We want the addition of this. Sigma of this. We don't want the addition of these midpoints. Many times you will get confused to write here. We will add this. That's a kind. No need. Okay. Now add it. 0, 31, 7, 8, 13, 19, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1090. Substitute that value here. So we get sigma fi xi is 1090 upon 40. 40 is the sigma of fi. Means sum of all frequencies, total number of students. So it is 40. And 0 will cancel. So 4 into 2, 8, 29, 27, 28, 4 7 are 28, 1, 2, 4 into 2, 8, remaining 2, 5. Okay, so this is the mean. This is the simple method. This is the simple method. You can find out easily. Just you make third column of midpoint. Sometimes this class interval is not given, only score is given. Then no need to find the midpoint in that case. So just you multiply these two columns and write here. This will be fi, this will be, itself becomes as xi. And multiplication kara 80. So this is the second method. This is the second method called as direct method. Then there is third method. That method is called assumed mean method. Okay. In that method, only this class interval and frequency, this is given. We have to make third column of midpoint. Happen what's like it. That's very good. Then here we have to write the deviation. That is di. Di is equal to xi minus a. A is the assumed mean. So formula for that. Assumed mean method. So A will be equal to, this is assumed mean. Kota ek assume kara. Generally it is taken from the middle. So say this 25. Right? Then use this. Xi minus A means 5 minus 25. That is minus. Then 15 minus 25. Minus 25 minus 25. 0. Then 35 minus 25. That is 10. Then 45 minus 25. 20. Now this di is this. Deviation is this. Then make the third column. Next column. That is fi into di. Which frequency? This into this. This column is not useful for now. This is for only to find the mid, that is assumed mean, and to find the deviation from the assumed mean. Then 1 into minus 20. 11 into minus 10. Minus 110. This will be 0. 6 into 10. Then 8 into 20. 160. Okay? Add it. Minus 130. This is 30. 30 plus 60. 90. So this sigma is, the sum of this column is 90. Formula is, we will write that value. Okay. Formula. X bar is equal to A plus sigma fi dr divided by into only, okay, A is 25 plus 90 divided by 40. Write as it is. Don't add by multiplying with 400 and then 9 and 109 divided by 4. Divide this only. This is 25 plus 9 by 4 is 4 2 8 1. So it is 27 point. In the previous case also it comes the same. So this is the algebra wind method. And the next method, that is step deviation method, is not in our syllabus, but we have already studied it. Then next part is mode. See, mode is the value which value of frequency which is highest frequently it occurs. Here, which is the mode? Which will be the mode? Actually, we have to find out what. Okay, before that, what is formula for mode? L plus F1 minus F0. Okay, this is the formula. Now we have to find out here first L. L means lower limit, lower class limit of the model class. Here model class is what? Which has the highest frequency? Highest frequency is 40. So model class is 20. So whenever you write the answer, first you write the model class. Or you can, why it is? Because frequency of 2030 is maximum. Give a highest, you can write. And therefore L is equal to this 20. Then this will be F1. This is F0. And this value is F2. So this value we have written of the frequency, corresponding frequency. No need to go for midpoint. No need to go for third point. Is that clear? Yes. So now substitute the values. And one more. H is okay. We will write F1 is 14. F0 is 11. F2 is 6. And H is equal to 10. 0 to 10. 10 to 20. This is the width of the class interval. So this is 10. Now substitute the value in the formula. Mode is equal to L. L is 20 plus in bracket F1. F1 is 14 minus F0 is 11 upon 2F1 is 2 into 14 minus F0 is 11 minus F2 is 6 into H is 10. Substituted the values. Then 20 plus 14 minus 11 3 into 10 upon this is 28. 28 minus 11 17. 17 minus 6 11. So now find the value of this only. 3 by 10 into 3 by 11 into 10 means 30 by 11. So 30 divided by 11. 11 no. 3 means repeating 2, 7, 2, 7 and so on like this. So up to this means divided 1. So it will be 20 plus 2.73 and add it. So 22.73 is the mode of the same data. Mean of the data is 27.25. Mode is different from that. It doesn't matter. Any doubt in this case? Then median. Median is equal to again n plus n by 2 minus relative frequency upon f into h. In this case, the word comes cumulative frequency, means we have to write the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency of this 1, then 1 plus 11, then 12 plus 14, 26, 32 and 40. Don't add this now. 40 plus 40 is 80. Okay? Then first find out n by 2. Yeah. Here n is equal to 40, so n by 2 is equal to 20. Now the value 20, 20th observation where, in which cumulative frequency? 6. It will be 6. So 20 lies in 26. Therefore median class is 2030. Okay? Then we get this value here. What is the cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of the previous class. So this will be cumulative frequency. And frequency this becomes of the same class interval or the model median class. So f is equal to 14 and cf is equal to 12. Okay? And h is equal to 10. Substitute the values. So median is equal to L. Now we get L is 20. We will write L is equal to 20 here. So 20 plus n by 2. N by 2 is 20 minus cumulative frequency 12 divided by frequency of the class 40 into 10. So it will be 20 plus, this is 8 by 40 means 80 by 40. So we will divide here 80 by 40, 5, 70, 0, 1, 0, 98, 220, 1, okay, let it be. So it will be 5.71, right? So it is 25.71 is the mean. So mean, mode and median are the different three values. These are called the central tendency of the data. This is used in various departments. Okay?